2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Crew Van. This van transports any and all cargo to its final destination. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, rain-sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, adjustable steering wheel. Take home the car of your dreams today.